one thing that I love most about Marissa is that she loves her family and friends like no other. She's always putting others first. She's the glue that holds our 16-year friendship together. She's always scheduling downtown lunch dates, monthly Gap dinners, functions at her home, and Riss is seriously the hostess with the mostest.
I couldn't imagine a better partner for my friend. Marissa is incredibly beautiful, ingenious, eloquent, charming, challenging, and a perfect match for my J-grad.
Whether it's winning cases or board games, Riss is uber competitive. From flip cup to football, Riss will kick, scream, and sometimes even cry. I have seen it, it's not pretty.
So my friend Jer, he's an amazing guy with so many great attributes. He's handsome, smart, funny. Oh man, sorry Jer, your handwriting got super smudged here.
Feeling it.
Yeah, no chance.
No chance.
You're gonna get it up over this ledge? Oh. Ah! Nice, you know, many think of him as, the guy that has everything, but honestly, not until tonight, Jared, do I really think that you really do have everything now.
You guys ready to put on your dress? I'm getting my makeup done. Hi. Oh, so cute. I don't think I've ever seen a Hawaii wedding with it before.
Don't cry.
I know. He said, I'm crying like a little girl right here.
Oh, whoa! Don't get the picture. Awesome.
Yeah, happy wedding day. Woo!
Nice, man. Yeah. Thanks, Riss. Amazing. Cheers.
Good job, Riss.
Yeah, great job.
You know I'd fall apart without you. I don't know how you do what you do. 'Cause everything that don't make sense about me makes sense when I'm with you. Like everything that's green, girl, I need you. But it's more than one and one makes two. Put aside the math and the logic of it. You gotta know you want it too. 'Cause I wanna wrap you up, wanna kiss your lips. I wanna make you feel wanted, and I wanna call you mine, wanna hold your hand forever and never let you forget it. Yeah, I wanna make you feel
I, Jeremy, take you, Marissa, to be my partner in life. You're my most important person, my closest friend, and my favorite everything. I promise that I will always appreciate you, support you, and love you faithfully.
You might wanna hold your hand forever and never let you forget it. Yeah, I wanna make you feel wanted.
Wow. Right here. Let's see. Amazing.
And I wanna show you what I see tonight when I wrap you up, when I kiss your lips.
I will laugh with you, cry with you, and I will never be bored when I am with you. I have given you my heart, and from this day forward, you will never be alone. I love you.
You challenged and inspired me, you helped me, and you gave me strength. You are a strong woman, but remember you can't do it alone. Now as you navigate through the rest of your life, do it in collaboration with Jer. If you're scared, hold Jer's hand and look into his eyes, and you will feel better.
And all I ever wanted, and I just wanna